What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today, we want to learn how to grid out our footage inside of Premiere Pro. After Effects works in both. And for like social media comps, highlight comps, anything. And how do we quickly do this and effectively do this for any format ever? How do we do it? So traditionally inside of Premiere Pro, you stack the footage on 4 layers, no problem. But you would have to, manually, here's the original. You have to manually go into each one and like scale it down. That's 50%. That one's already too small. All right, let's go to the next one. 50%, 50. Okay, I've started to drag them to the pinpoints, but I've realized, oh, they're all different aspect ratios. That's really annoying. It looks like this. You could totally finish this in Premiere Pro. It'd be a little tedious and boring. There is a faster way. How do we make it look perfect like this in a few clicks? So I just drag the footage into Premiere Pro. I have not touched it. I just have it on 4 separate layers right here. Super simple. I'm going to highlight all this footage, right click and do replace with After Effects composition. It's going to sink it down into one layer like this. It's going to automatically open After Effects and give us 4 pieces like this. Already has it open. But today we're using a tool called GridMaker. This is a really fun tool for After Effects that helps you develop gridded out comps very, very quickly. Now, if you would like access to GridMaker, there is a link in the description. And if you think this is really cool, just comment grid down below and I will send you a link to the tool directly. Now for swiftness, let's highlight all of our layers. We want to pre-comp each of our layers and then do a 2x2 grid because it makes it fit perfectly. And there it is. Everything is done. And if you want to change the clip out, just jump into After Effects, into the composition and change the clip out. And then once we hit File, Save in After Effects, jump back into Premiere Pro. Let's save this for good measure. It has been updated. As you can see, it's been gridded out. Now let's jump further into GridMaker and see what this thing can do. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is what GridMaker can do. It doesn't care. It'll grid out anything for you. Just bring in your footage from Premiere, from After Effects, anything. Let's really test the limits here. Let's do a social media composition. So the width is 1080 by 1920. Click OK. Let's drag in 4 clips because that's what social media likes. Now, if we pre-comp the layer, it doesn't. You can turn this off. That's okay. But if you pre-comp it, let's do a 2x2. It grids it out just like this. Now, what if we want columns? No problem. Just do 4 columns. There's columns. What if you want rows? Click rows. It does rows. What if we don't want to pre-comp the layers? We just want to have the thing. GridMaker is smart enough to know that it needs to build track mats to make this footage look nice. There's columns and there's rows. Now, what if you knew you needed more than 4 rows? You have 7 pieces of footage. No worries. Let's make sure we pre-comp the layers. Let's do 1 column, 7 rows, and then click Apply. As you can see, we've made our 7-column Instagram social media piece that we can export from After Effects and bring into Premiere Pro. And as always, with any of our tools, you can click Learn More. Here's the Learn More about GridMaker, more information, and you can also change the language. From here, you can click our website, our contact, or jump into our Discord channel to chat with me directly. See you guys soon. And also, yeah, the language, that's kind of cool. If you speak Japanese, here it is. Now it's a Japanese tool. Kind of a neat feature we added. Yeah, hopefully it's helpful. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.